what my to-do list was. It was an alarm bell that something bigger was wrong. And once we could begin to understand more about that, we could begin to unravel the way that we worked and realize that over time, with more processes and ways of doing and people joining, our purpose had actually become the process itself. And especially me, we were stuck in a cave, and it was so frustrating, where 80% of our time was unraveling these smaller issues, a bit like whack-a-mole, trying to put plasters on the outcome of a problem that was further up. Purpose was diluted, and the way that we worked, the way we used our purpose, the relevancy and the connection to our customer, and what is more importantly, the team and what they were involved in creating, was misaligned. Incredibly frustrating,